Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Microsoft Store with the error code 0x80070496 in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this error code 0x80070496 is one of those appearing every time any user tries to update or download an applications from the store. The causes of this error include misconfigured system files, outdated components of the Microsoft Store, and permissions conflicts across the Windows. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reset Microsoft Store cache. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na wsreset. Ayan. So i-type mo lang yung wsreset and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung app. And next step, so click mo lang dito yung open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. Kaya ginagawa natin yan na command keyword na WS reset is to make sure the Microsoft Store back to default settings. Alright, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong Microsoft Store, is to check relevant services. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. So dito lang sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa services and services local, dito sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung Windows update. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then hanapin mo lang dito yung Windows Update. Alright, so once na-locate mo na, so kailangan mo lang i-select yan and double-click. And next step, dito lang sa General and select mo lang dito sa Startup Type yung Automatic. So select. And next step, dito sa baba, i-click mo lang dito yung Apply and click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so after dito sa Windows Update, and the next command keyword ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows Installer. So dito din, i-select mo lang siya and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And dito sa kanyang General, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Automatic. And then dito sa Service Status, i-click mo lang dito yung Start and wait natin. And then pagkatapos niyan, dito sa baba, ay click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so after dito sa Windows Installer, so ang next command keyword is to locate a storage services. So, kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung storage services. So, select and double click. And dito sa General and then dito sa Startup Type. So, i-select mo lang dito yung Automatic. And then dito sa Running, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Stop and wait natin. And then dito sa Service Status, i-click mo lang dito yung Start. And wait natin ulit. And then, click mo tong apply. And then, click mo lang dito yung OK. Right, so after dito sa storage services, and next step or next command keyword, ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows Firewall. Alright, so i-locate lang natin dito. Alright, so once na-locate mo na yung Windows Firewall, so i-select mo lang yan and kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And dito sa General at dito lang sa Startup Type, so dapat naka-automatic yan. And then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung OK. Alright. And after dito sa Services, and next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin itong Services, is to repair and reset the Microsoft Store. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung apps. At dito sa right side, i-click mo lang dito yung installed apps. So, dito lang sa search app ay kailangan lang natin i-type dito yung Microsoft Store. And automatic mga kaibigan, mag-a-appear ka agad dito. And dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung tatlong dot. And i-click mo lang dito yung advanced option. And then dito sa advanced option settings and then scroll down. At dito lang sa reset, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung repair and then wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And if this app still isn't working right and then kailangan na natin itong i-reset. So kailangan mo lang click dito yung reset and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device including your preferences and sign-in details. So i-click mo lang dito yung reset and wait natin ma-complete yung reset process. And after dito sa reset settings and ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair corrupted system files. Kung paano ba yan ulit natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-type yung command keyword na sfc space /scannow. So in all small letter lahat and then yung /scannow ay one word yan and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete and next step. So close lang natin tong CMD and dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Store with the error code 0x80070496 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.